Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be looking at two top-notch dash cams, the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam and the Chensa 3-channel 4K dash cam.
Get ready for some jaw-dropping features and a whole lot of laughs.
Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a stunning 2K resolution at 60 frames per second. This bad boy shoots in crystal clear quality during the day and night, making it easier to read license plates and capture incidents with superb clarity. Now let's talk about parking mode. The VIOFO A119 V3 offers three different solutions to meet your needs: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. With the auto event detection, the buffered parking mode function will automatically record 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event. It's like having a personal surveillance system for your car. Now let's shed some light on night vision. The VIOFO A119 V3 comes equipped with a Sony Star VIS 5 megapixels image sensor, providing a much clearer image than most dash cams at night. Its HDR function balances the lighting, capturing clear license plates even under strong car lights. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the VIOFO A119 V3 for its easy installation, excellent video quality, and reliability.
Reviewers have also mentioned that the camera captures clear license plates and performs well in challenging conditions.
On the other hand, the Chensa 3-channel 4K dash cam has been praised for its high-quality performance, including clear visuals in all lighting conditions. Customers have found it easy to install and user-friendly for reviewing footage. Both cameras have received positive reviews overall. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam and the Chensa 3-channel 4K dash cam.
Both cameras have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences.
Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart comparison. Stay smart and happy shopping!